how that works?
Next thing you know, everybody's crowding around me asking for a piece of my meat.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I can get that gun wet, so I'm gonna deal with this later. I'm not gonna deal with this right now. So, but I do have something exciting that came in the mail today, so let's go check that out. See what came in the mail today. So I got a package in the mail today. Well, I got a card in the mail.
No, don't show people.
I'm not actually showing my driver's license, but I got my new driver's license in the mail because I turned.
Wait, why don't you show them the picture?
Yeah, I turned. Here, I got my old one. I'll show them my old one. So, quick story. I got my driver's license the day I turned 16. Yeah, you can see it just a little bit. I got my driver's license the day I turned 16, and it expires this year on my birthday, which is 2 weeks from now. And I got my new license in the mail from Florida, but I didn't actually drive down there to take the picture. So the 16-year-old Alex is still on the freaking driver's license. So I got a sideways license because obviously I'm over 21, I'm almost 23, but it's still got a 16-year-old picture of me on there. That's rough. That's rough. Saint, what you doing, bro? What you doing?
He's hungry. He's eating his canine crunchies.
Tell Ken at work hello. Ken used to have a husky. Say hi.
Titi, say a woo. Sit. Give me paw. Paw. Paw.
Almost.
Paw. No, he does it. He's just excited. Paw. Give me your paw, fool. Good boy. Sit. Speak. Woo woo. Speak.
Whoa.
Good boy.
Last thing I need is for him to come by and bump the table.
I'm right here. He's not. Stop.
Me.
It's recording.
Okay. Yeah. Wow.
It's because you moved the table.
Oh, wow. So I got a package in the mail today. Just hold it, please, for a second.
I am.
Feist. A package in the mail today.
Ooh, package.
Everybody likes when they get stuff in the mail from Alan Fleming.
Alan.
I didn't know your last name was Fleming. Hello. This is from Team Skynet.
Where'd he go? There he is.
Team Skynet. Huge shout out to Team Skynet. So we got some awesome stuff in here. One,
hot pink.
Hot pink. That one's for you.
Oh,
and then we got a silver for me.
Okay.
Skynet team. We got two shirts. One for you, one for me. This one is tiny. Obviously, that one's probably for you.
No, that looks like it'll fit you perfect.
This one's, yeah, that one's bigger, I can tell. Some lanyards. Hell yeah. And then for
it's
me.
Like Christmas in here.
Black.
Good, you need a hat.
I really miss mine.
Because you're wearing that crusty hat all the time that I hate.
I miss my black hats. I do. I'm telling you. That's swag right there. Team Skynet swag.
No, you need a shower.
Huge shout out to Alan
Look at
and
those.
all of Team Skynet. Huge
Let me see your
shout
hands.
out. Hey, I've been working. Y'all saw I was just out there almost in the rain changing out spacers. I've been working all day. So
shout out to
huge shout out. Ah, wow. Huge shout out to Team Skynet and Alan of Skynet. Huge shout out to all the people in Skynet team. Alan is a great guy. Y'all made a great choice. Definitely gonna be rocking some of this merch pretty soon in the videos, so y'all can expect that. Again, huge shout out to Alan. I've got something else planned today, so you guys need to stick with the video.
what?
We're going to Walmart.
We are not.
I'm going to Walmart.
I'm not catching nothing from Walmart.
I'm going to Walmart.
Don't bring that shit back here.
Take the camera. It's that time. It is that time. It is that time. I'm excited, guys. I gotta put this damn thing.
My first steak.
My first steak.
Then I forgot it when I made my second.
And then you forgot that one when you made your third?
Yeah. And I'm like, hey, this keeps getting better and better.
You see how that works?
Next thing you know, everybody's crowding around me asking for a piece of my meat.
Everybody wants some of your meat?
All the boys want some Jack shot.
There's gonna be a lot of meat.
We're all standing around the fire, finger fucking baby. You know, my girl was a vegetarian before she had my meat. That's a true story right there.
That is actually a true story. She was a vegetarian until she had his meat. We're such idiots. So as you guys can tell, we got a grill last night. Nice little cheap grill from Lowe's. We're starting off slow, but I'm excited. We're gonna grill some shit today. We're gonna play around with some meat today. That's what we're gonna do. Watch yourself.
What's your lighter?
Little match. I didn't know you used that much. And got him again.
If that guy gets getting hot, by the time it burns out, it's gonna stay hot, and then you're gonna let the coals kind of do whatever the coals do. And then about 15 minutes, you be ready for action.
We be cooking. Now for those of you who remember yesterday, we marinated our little steaks in some good seasoning. Some chipotle roasted garlic seasoning. Pretty excited for that. Them steaks ain't got no business being that thick. Look at them. While I'm waiting for the coals to heat up, we got this Hummer H2, I believe. It was in a, something about it, I think it burned up or was involved in a fire or something. There's a lot of, you know, heat marks on it. You know, you can tell like some of this stuff is burnt up, but we just got these wheels back getting custom painted. They're like this maroon color. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. Got this awesome color to them. Fuel Mavericks with the custom paint job. Huge shout out to that _H2 Thomas Mosley. This thing's it's nowhere near done, but this thing's turning out a lot better than I thought. It's even got the look, it's got the white alligator interior headliner too. That's crazy. Ooh.
Maybe time for a test cut here, Alex.
Test cut?
Now you always want to let your meat rest a little bit, but in this case here, it's not the case.
We're running a little short on time. These are pretty thick steaks, so. Ooh.
Sir, I'd say. Only one thing left to do, Alex. You know what it is.
One thing left. Great way to start the video off today, guys. This is the very first on the That White Bowtie YouTube channel. Me and Mr. Sean Davis have successfully cooked the first steak on the channel. Many more to come.
Bon appetit.
Cheers.
Not half bad if I do say so myself. Short road to perfection there, Alex. Short road.
That's fucking good. Lance, you gotta come try this. 3 things. 1, I park however the hell I want. I mean, yeah, I park however the hell I want. 2, I'm so glad I took those spacers off because my camera's still fogging up. I'm so glad I took those spacers off because my truck ride's a million times better without those goddamn spacers on. And 3, again, I don't know what the hell Ty put on my tires, but it's rained 3 or 4 times since Sunday, dried and rained again 3 or 4 times since Sunday, and what the, I don't know what's going on here. And that tire shine is still fucking on there. I don't know what the hell he put on my tires. I'm gonna have to find out because that shit's ridiculous. I wanted to give it a couple days just to make sure that what I was thinking was true, and yes, this is the best tire shine I've ever had on my tires in my life. Now I know that you guys are probably like, why would you make a full video about something like this? That's stupid. I didn't plan on making a video about this, and this video really hasn't been about this, but it's completely blown my mind. I believe it's McGuire's, and he puts it on by hand with a little brush, and it's rained 4 or 5 times, stopped, rain again, stopped, rain again 4 or 5 times in the last 2 or 3 days, and this tire shine is still freaking on there. I mean, obviously dirt and stuff is starting to stick to it, but I'm really impressed. Like I said, I think it's McGuire's, so if you guys want to try it out, I think it's like a purplish color. Make sure you guys go try that out. But this video has probably been long enough, so I will see you guys next time. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.